All right, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We have a mixed operations problem today, mixing multiplication with addition. It's 40 plus 40 times 0 plus 1 equals what? If you want to, you can pause the video at this point. We'll come back and work it out together. All right, so multiplication has precedence over addition and subtraction. Just remember that multiplication is just shorthand for repeated addition. Now we have the order of operations convention, which is how problems like this have always been solved. A lot of times people just they don't remember how to mix addition with multiplication or division and so on. But it consists of the following steps. Parentheses, also you might refer to these as brackets. You've got number two exponents. Some people might refer to these as orders. There's a couple acronyms out there. Well, there's several, but the common ones are PEMDAS or BODMAS. They're both really give you the same answer. And so rather than exponents, you might refer to them as orders. Number three, you've got multiplication and division, and they have equal precedence. And you solve multiplication and division left to right in the order you find them. And then you've got your addition and subtraction, which you can solve those left to right. Honestly, it doesn't matter which order you do addition and subtraction. They're on the same level. So, uh, basically, you got to start with multiplication, even though the multiplication is written after the addition. It doesn't matter. You read left to right, you solve math problems left to right, but when you're solving mathematics problems left to right, you've got to keep in mind the order of operations. So multiplication is first. 40 times 0 is 0. 40 plus 0 plus 1 is 41. The answer is not 1. A lot of people say the answer is 1. There's some people who forgot how to multiply by 0, and they'll come up with maybe an answer of like 81, something like that. Both of those answers are incorrect. And again, like I said, multiplication is shorthand for repeated addition. You could replace the multiplication. Now, in this case, our multiplication is very simple. It's 40 times 0. But you can replace multiplication with equivalent addition. Just keep in mind that 40 times 0 is the same thing as adding 40 0 times. If I had 0 times 40, that would be the same thing as adding 0 40 times. Well, no matter how many times I add 0, I will get 0. I could add 0 1,000,000 times, I will still get 0. So hopefully this problem is, hopefully you did well on this problem and you understand how this works. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and I look forward to seeing everyone in the next video. Thanks and have a great day.